Claude Code subagents are specialized assistants with their own context windows. The main agent delegates a focused task and receives the result back. That makes subagents useful for bounded reviews, research, or verification where the result matters more than sharing every intermediate thought with the main context. Place a team-shared definition under .claude/agents. The front matter name identifies the agent, while the description tells Claude when delegation is appropriate. The markdown body becomes the specialist prompt. Make both specific enough that automatic selection is predictable and review output is consistent. For a read-only reviewer, allow only read, glob, and grep. Omitting edit, write, and bash creates a capability boundary stronger than asking politely not to change files. Select the model intentionally, and keep the task compatible with the tools the reviewer is actually allowed to use. A useful reviewer returns evidence, not generic advice. Require file paths, line ranges, impact, severity, and a proposed verification test for each finding. The reviewer should separate observed facts from assumptions. The main agent then decides whether to edit, test, or reject the recommendation. Invoke the reviewer explicitly on a small module before relying on automatic delegation. Confirm that it stays read-only, cites real evidence, and returns actionable tests. Compare every finding with the source. Then refine the description and prompt so future delegation is accurate, repeatable, and auditable.